Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you wild caught snapper skin on fillet, and I'm going to cook them not in the oven, and I'm going to cook them in air fryer. I'm going to use air fryer from Magic Chef. This one will be oil-free cooking. It's oil-less cooking. Once you make it, it's going to be tasty and delicious. Wild caught snapper skin on fillets are frozen. What I've done, I put it in the fridge overnight, and now I'm going to open the bag. It comes with each individual packages, and as I mentioned, this one has a skin on. So I'm going to open it, and I have the cold water ready, and I'm going to place the pieces inside the water, and we're going to wash it. You can use the fresh fish or you can use the frozen. And this is the best way to do it. Take the ice out. Instead of doing the defrost, put it in the fridge overnight. And by the morning time, when you're going to be cooked, there will be no more ice inside. Just wanted to give a quick wash. There is no ice inside the fish. All the spices will be half teaspoon each: salt, black pepper, garlic powder, ginger powder, and degi mint. 1 teaspoon parsley flakes. Add all the spices, you can mix them. Just make sure that it's nicely combined. I'll place the fish just like that. Get all the spices and make sure that we add it nicely on each pieces. Just pat it. Now turn them over, and on the skin side, turn the fish over like this, the side edges, both sides, and this side. We're going to do same thing with the other pieces. Since we washed the fish is wet and all the spices are nicely coated. And good thing about the air fryer, you don't need to use any oil. And I'm going to bring the fryer. Never plug in your air fryer while you're working on it. It's a good idea. You put the pieces first, then you plug it in. So what I'm going to do, I'll have the pieces ready. I'll open it. The skin side, I'm going to place it like this. So we lay out all the pieces. This is how it looks. And we're going to close it. Once it's nicely firmly closed, so now we're going to plug in. As you hear the beep, turn the power on. We're going to bring the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. As for the time, 16 minutes. Now we're going to let it cook. We're not going to bother it. We're not going to turn the fish pieces over. It's going to cook to our perfection. So come back after 16 minutes. It's almost done. You hear the beep. It's a good idea. Let it rest for 2 more minutes before you open it, so it can cool down. If you're really hungry, just open it and eat it. We waited for 2 minutes. Unplug it. And we'll open it. Wow, looking so good. Steamy, puffed up. And good thing about the cooking in air fryer, you don't have to turn the fish piece. So I'll take the pieces out. Wow. These are perfect. Snapper fish. No oil, it's oil free. Perfect. Snapper fish is all ready. As you can see, it's looking so delicious. And if I can cut it, look at this. Nicely, fully cooked. Perfect. Wow, nice. I taste it. It's really good. You serve with the rice flour. I hope you're going to like this recipe, and if you like it, please like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. And I'm going to bring more recipes with air fryer. Thank you for watching.